speaker, architect is Louis Pinacco. The teaching force of San Juan Central Elementary School, headed by a school principal, Mrs. Charmaine F. Pudente. To our brilliant and dedicated public school district supervisor, Dr. Anagleta A.S. My fellow graduates, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we celebrate not just the end of our elementary journey, but the beginning of a brand new chapter in our lives. Parang kailan lang, di pa natin alam mag-line up properly. Mga umiiyak sa first day of school, and kala natin recess was the most important subject of the day. Hanggang ngayon, importante pa rin ang recess. 6 years ago, we entered the school carrying big bags and even bigger dreams. Along the way, we learned how to read, write, solve math problems, and most importantly, how to stand up after getting a low score from a quiz, how to work with others, and how to believe in ourselves even when things got hard. Hindi naging madali ang lahat. There were times we struggled with assignments, quizzes, and exams that made us question if we actually studied the right lesson. May mga group projects din, aminin natin. Hindi lahat ganun ka-active, di ba? But despite all that, we made it. We survived. To our teachers, thank you for your patience, guidance, and for not giving up on us even if we forgot our homework for the third time in a week. You didn't just teach us lessons from books, you taught us lessons about life. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless support, for waking us up early, helping us with projects, and pushing us to be better. This achievement is not just ours, it's your school. And to my fellow graduates, this is our moment. We may be young, but we've already come so far. As we move on to the next stage of our journey, let us carry with us the memories, the friendships, and the lessons we learned here. Graduation is not the end of our journey, but the beginning of a greater calling. We carry with us the knowledge and skills shaped by our schools, but more importantly, we bring our values, integrity, compassion, and conviction. These are the true foundations of leadership, not just intelligence, but goodness of one's character. As Filipino graduates, we are expected to be a light in times of darkness, a voice of truth amid the noise, and a force for change in the face of challenges. Leadership is not measured by position, but the ability to serve with sincerity and care for others. In every step we take, may we carry the lessons of where we came from. Let us never forget the sacrifices of our parents and teachers. They have been our guides and pillars through every trial. Our success is their success as well. My fellow graduates, the future is in our hands. May we use our abilities not only for personal growth, but for betterment of our nation. Let us be courageous in facing challenges, humble in our achievements, and steadfast in our principles. We are the new generation of Filipinos, ready to lead with competence, integrity, and good character. Hindi man natin alam kung ano ang naghihintay sa ating future, but one thing is certain, we are ready. Ready to face new challenges, ready to chase our dreams, and ready to become the best version of ourselves. Bye, friends.